Hello everybody, and today we're going to go over the new Python script to catch UFOs. And this one has a lot of the code from the last one, but this better records more. So let's just go over it and let's show you how it works. The first part of the script is this script here. It says right now there's 4,957 images in the database. It's a sqlite database, so it's called the image loader, and what it does, it stores images from the camera into a sqlite database. So it does 150 at a time, and then checks the size of the database, and if the database is too big, then it pauses. So far there's 5,000 pictures in the database. And then the second part of the script is this script that basically goes over the database file, and you can see here it loads 150 images at a time, and then it does 5 tests on each image. If it finds objects, it records the images with the objects, up to 5 images of the objects in the 30 frames that it catches. So if it catches 30 frames, it picks 5, maximum of 5, and it queries AI to see if it sees balloons, helicopter, metallic orbs, drones, or flying saucers, and exclude birds, bugs, and stars. So if AI finds a UFO, it records a small video, but in this case, in most cases, it's no. So most of the new code is written by AI. We can take a quick look at the code. Let's see if we can do this. And then we're going to do Notepad. This is the first part of the code. This is the image loader, and we're going to go quickly over it. The first function, it counts the number of rows in the database. I wrote this one with use of AI. Second function writes it creates a table, and it inserts, if the table is already there, it just tries to insert a value. Might not be the most efficient, but it creates a table. If the table is not there, it creates a table, and then it inserts the image of the picture that is captured in this loop here. So it uses, this is the source of the capture. So it looks like for each image it connects and gets a picture. Probably not the most efficient way to do it, but it's fast enough to keep up with the processing. So this is how we load the images into the database, and then we have the second part of the tutorial here. There are 7 script which basically reads the images. This one counts the rows, and if it doesn't have enough rows, it waits because it's waiting for records. Then it retrieves and deletes the oldest blob from the database. I wrote, these ones are written from AI. Not the most efficient code, but it seems to be able to balance out with the speed of the processing and all that. So is this yes or no? If it finds a string to try to figure out what AI is saying, yes or no, it's the last, whether it's a yes or no, the last occurrence usually. But if it's just yes, then just it tries to calculate whether the answer of AI is yes or no. If it doesn't give you yes or no, then this one, it finds circles. It doesn't work very well with snow, but it finds drones. I mean, like orbs, circles. And this is uses cascades to find dragons, UFOs, helicopters, disks, or orbs. So it uses cascades of those objects in the skies to try to recognize flying objects that move across the sky. Those are fast access. And then here we have, after you load the frames, this old code you can get for free on my Discord channel, just so you guys know. This is where all the detection is done with the cascades. And then if the cascade finds something, it records 30 frames. And then if there is images and it's not recording anymore, it asks AI to check those images here. Up to 5 images. Of those images, could be 30, but 5, it picks 5. And then, because it takes time, the CPU, and then eventually, if it says yes, there is a UFO, it writes the file UFO here. So this is basically all the new code, and what can I say? You can download it from my Discord channel. You can copy it from here. It's just basically a UFO hunting Python script, free, and I hope it gives you guys some ideas on how to catch UFOs with AI. Right, see you on the flip side, guys.